Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Milligan. I am here to help you navigate the exciting world of math online with Pearson. And please pause this if you need a chance to review. We'll start by hitting it up with Google. We will head to Google Classroom. You will click on this 9-dot icon. You will scroll down, see the chalkboard in green with the orange border. You will see a new tab called Classes. The one for math is Science, Math, and Religion. You will click on that. You will see Classwork, and you will see the first assignment posted, scheduled for March 30th, which is today on Monday. It says Unit E Enrichment Project Go Fish. You're going to click on that. And then you'll click on this setting here, and it is a link to the Pearson Realize. The reason why I put it on this textbook website is so you can access the textbook online if needed, or you could use your hardback book, Volume 2. We are in the geometry topic. Please review and read it. It has been several weeks since we've gone over it in the past. If you need to, click Browse, and you can search for the exact chapter you're looking for. Otherwise, you'll just click on Classes and then Assignments from there. Next, I would like to show you some video details. I found this for you. Take 2 minutes to review volume. It should help you with your project today. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rob. Welcome to Math Antics. In this lesson, we're going to learn about another important geometry quantity called volume. Specifically, we're going to learn what volume is and what kind of units we use to measure volume and how we can calculate the volumes of a few simple geometric shapes. The first thing you need to know is that volume is a quantity that all three-dimensional objects have. But to understand what it means, it will help if we back up just a little and start out with a one-dimensional object, like this line segment. To measure a one-dimensional object, we need a one-dimensional quantity, which we usually call length. The length of this line happens to be exactly 1 centimeter, which is a common unit for measuring length. And in the Math Antics video about area, we saw that if we move or extend this one-dimensional line in a direction perpendicular to it by a distance of 1 centimeter, it forms a two-dimensional object called a square. Two-dimensional objects are measured by the two-dimensional quantity that we call area. Because the original line was 1 centimeter long, and we extended it a distance of 1 centimeter, the amount of area that this square occupies is 1 square centimeter, which is a common unit for measuring area. Okay, now imagine that we take that two-dimensional square and move or extend it in a direction perpendicular to its surface by a distance of 1 centimeter. It forms a three-dimensional object that's called a cube. And to measure a three-dimensional object like this, we use a three-dimensional quantity called volume. Volume tells us how much three-dimensional space, or 3D space, an object occupies. All right, but how much volume does this cube have? Well, since it was made by extending 1 square centimeter, a distance of 1 centimeter in the third dimension, we say that its volume is exactly 1 cubic centimeter, which is a common unit for measuring volume. So square units are used to measure area, and cubic units are used to measure volume. Since square units are made by multiplying two one-dimensional units together, like centimeter times centimeter, we can abbreviate them using the exponent notation, centimeters to the second power, or centimeters squared. And since cubic units are made by multiplying three one-dimensional units together, like centimeter times centimeter times centimeter, we can abbreviate them using exponent notation, centimeters to the third power, or centimeters cubed. And just like there were different sizes of square units, like square inches, square meters, or square miles, there's also different sized cubic units, like cubic inches, cubic meters, or cubic miles. See how area and square units are related to volume and cubic units? And there's another symbol.
All right, boys and girls, that is it for today. I liked playing around with all this fun stuff. It's new for me, and it's going to just only get better. So stay in touch, and I will be praying for you. Bye.